everyone, it's Steph. I'm the Secret Slob. Welcome back to my channel. If you are one of the first 100,000 subscribers of this channel, I want to give you a giant, humongous thank you. It's because of you that I've been able to take this channel from a tiny little speck where it was just me struggling all by myself to this giant community of supportive, helpful, and caring people from all over the world, all walks of life, all here helping each other. So thank you. I know sometimes on YouTube it's kind of a one-way street. I make the videos, you watch the videos, but what you might not realize is that when you leave a comment for me because you see me struggling with something or I don't really know how to clean something, I see those. And some of those comments have helped me so much, I don't even know where I'd be without them. If you're new here and you wanna know all about how I got from being a complete slob to managing pretty well, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm sure you'll learn something. All right, let's get started with my all-time favorite hacks, tips, and tricks from the comments. This one I use every single day. Instead of struggling trying to hold everything, use a laundry basket when you tidy. Carry it from room to room, it works so much better. A similar hack is keeping a basket or laundry basket at the bottom of the stairs. Everything that needs to go up and everything that needs to come down goes right in the basket. One of my all-time favorite discoveries was learning that the brush attachment for your vacuum is the perfect tool for dusting. I love this especially for my baseboards and my stairs and those hard to reach areas. I also use it on my blinds, and if you have curtains, you can use it on that too. I also love using my vacuum to get all of the extra debris out of drawers. It's so much easier than wiping. You can use mild soapy water to dust almost any surface, and a really great hack from the comments was using an unmatched sock to do your dusting. You don't have to throw them away, they can still have a purpose. Once you're done dusting, you can wipe a dryer sheet over your baseboards and it just helps repel dust a little bit longer and makes them easier to clean. You guys know I love using vinegar and water to clean all of my glass windows, but a great hack you gave me was using newspaper or an old t-shirt to do the polishing. Super cheap and it works really well. Another window hack is cutting a sponge so that it fits in your window tracks and then you can just run it along to clean them out. In the kitchen, this is one of my favorite tools. It's a removable oven liner. I never have to scrub the bottom of my oven, ever. And this one is new, but it is so good. You can use ash from your fireplace or a fire pit and tin foil to clean the inside of your oven. You guys have seen me struggle with baking soda and oven cleaner. This one works so well. I'll probably be using this for the rest of my life. I learned this one in a comment from one of my very first videos. You can make a baking soda paste to clean your glass stovetop and get all that baked on, crusty stuff off. It works awesome. A really easy way to clean your dishwasher is run it with a cup of vinegar in the top, and while you're at it, you could put your sponges in there to sanitize, and you can put your hood vent filters in the dishwasher too. No more scrubbing them in the sink. This works awesome. Once the dishwasher cycle is done, you can just wipe out the tub. It's super clean and it takes away any nasty smells. If you haven't shined your sink in a while and there's a little bit of buildup around the faucet, you can wrap a vinegar-soaked paper towel or cloth around that faucet, leave it for a few minutes, come back, and it will wipe right off. This one I love because we use so much garlic in our cooking. Our wooden cutting board smells terrible all the time. So use a little bit of salt, rub it in with some lemon, and it takes that smell right out of your wooden cutting board. This one's new to me. You can spray olive oil or cooking spray on your stainless steel appliances and it helps repel those little fingerprints. If you have kids like me, it's a huge problem in our house. Another great use for cooking spray is cleaning your faucets in your bathroom. It dissolved any kind of grime or crud that was on there and they really sparkled. A lot of people have given me this one. You keep a stack of paper towels or cloths right in the bathroom, and then as soon as you're done your makeup and hair, you can just wipe the counter really quick and your swish and swipe is done. After tons of testing, you guys helped me figure out that the best way to clean my shower glass is a mixture of Dawn blue dish soap and straight vinegar. Spray it on your glass, come back about 15 minutes later and it will wipe right off. If your shower head has calcium buildup or deposits on it, a really easy way to clear that is just hang a bag of straight vinegar right on the shower head, let it sit for a little while, 15 minutes, come back and you can wipe most of it right off. But a new hack I recently learned is keeping a magic eraser or a soap-filled dish scrubby in the shower and then just clean the shower when you're in there. We've been doing this for the last couple weeks and it works so amazing. I highly recommend this hack. To keep your shower glass cleaner longer, make sure you squeegee it or wipe it down with your towel after you're done. I don't know why I was never doing this. Thankfully, you told me about it. I absolutely love this hack. Air out your bed for about a half an hour before you make it in the morning. If you can open a window, even better. I find it keeps my sheets and my bed smelling fresher and cleaner way longer. And my favorite hack for making your bed super fast is leave the fancy pillows behind and keep all of your bedding super simple. This one was taught to me right at the beginning and I've never looked back. A really easy way to store your sheet sets is to put them all into their pillowcase, and then when you need to change the bed out, you have everything in one place. You don't have to search for it in the cupboard. I think this one is amazing. Last two, and if you've got kids, I know you feel me on this. If you have stickers all over the house, spray them with water, come back 5 minutes later and they'll rub right off. If there's sticky stuff left over, you can put a couple drops of lemon oil, give it a rub, give it a wipe, and it should come right off. I have to use this one pretty much every single day. Unless you've actually read through all of the comments on this channel, and there's a lot of them, there's probably something there that you learned. So I hope you'll give some of these a try. And hey, if they save a little bit of time off your cleaning routine, all the better. All right, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.